Well, the project is completed insofar as the work. I haven't actually had a chance to test fire it yet. That's not going to happen till at least tomorrow, and maybe not even for for several weeks. Depends on if I have to go out on the go back over the road tomorrow, which I hope because we're about broke, or if once I'm done with the load I'm going to deliver in the morning, I come back. If I have the opportunity, I'll go to the gun range. So, right where the barrel lug mates up, or fits into the stock, I have that is very tight. Took a lot of that slop out of it. I mean, I guess there's a little bit of flex still in there, but nothing like there was before. I guess you're always going to have just a little bit of flex. But anyways, well, the chamber's unloaded, but she's ready to rock and roll. And right here in the back, where the receiver mates up to the stock, there was a pretty good gap there. That's all filled in. So we'll see.